Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today we're going to do something we haven't done in quite a while. We are going to do a restaurant review. Now, our SNL Villa Feliz, everybody normally brings some food, and one of our guests often brings some Mexican food. I got to tell you, it is some of the most authentic Mexican food that I've had in Asia or in the United States. So we want to go to the source of where they actually cook it and go into the restaurant and see what they have to offer there. So that is the object for today. Anyway, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Welcome to Que Pasa. Que Pasa? Que Pasa? Que Pasa, señor? Señorita? Que Pasa? Really? Oh. So Vicky. Vicky is in Manila. Wherever you want. You do today?
Yeah, we had prayer meeting.
Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah.
You missed it. Oh wow.
I'll tell you what.
Chips and salsa, please. The nachos.
Buy two, get two free.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Live in the vida loca.
You knocked down one.
I mean, they're all great people.
Oh, you love it.
I think I'm gonna have to stop coming more often. Oh yeah.
You want tortilla?
That's good, James.
Maybe, yeah.
Masarap.
Yeah, put some inside the tortillas.
Thank you.
Can we get some tortillas? Well, that's a steak. That's the ribeye steak. You got a second to talk? You got a second to talk? Sure. Anyway, this is Jeff.
Hi.
And Jeff, you're like the head chef.
Yes, sir.
And you have a lot of years of background doing this type of food, right? Mexican food.
Way back in 2023, I think.
In Toronto, right?
In Toronto,
in
yes.
Toronto.
Yes.
So from North America, learning how to do Mexican food from North America, like 4 or 5 years?
Yes, 3 years.
3 years, right? So I gotta tell you, it's extremely authentic.
Thank you so much.
And if you were like right near our house, I'd be eating your food every single day.
Thank you so much. For me, it's more like it's my passion, you know. I just want to share the good food of Mexico, you know. In Lipa, we don't have any Mexican restaurants here. So,
That's right.
Ed and I thought of opening one, and then everything falls into place.
Well, I also noticed the cut of your meat, both the chicken and the steak. It's like the highest quality.
Yes, sir.
It's like, and it's all USDA, right?
Yes.
All USDA. The steak is like melt in your mouth. Chicken is like melt in your mouth. Very high quality. I didn't see any issues like with drizzle or anything like that. And it was perfect. So.
It's all about, we want to give our customer their money's worth. You know? We don't want to compromise the quality. So we offer quality meats for our food. That's the secret.
Well, I gotta tell you, I thank you very much, and I'm glad to see you engaged here, and we will be back with that again and again. Thank you. All right, we're back here in the backyard of Villa Feliz. Now that was a great restaurant experience today. I hope you enjoyed that. I highly recommend 2 thumbs up, 5 stars for Que Pasa. We're going to continue doing restaurant reviews from time to time here when we find worthy restaurants sharing with you. Just in case you don't know where Que Pasa is, you can actually look it up on Google Maps, but you can easily find it like if you're heading towards the airbase, Fernando Air Base, and you're going from downtown Lipa and you're heading west. There's a curve in the road. Just before you hit that big curve in the road by the airbase, on the right is Que Pasa. There's a lot of traffic on that road down there. You can see from this video right here, locating it from the main traffic on JP Laurel over to the actual front entrance of Que Pasa. But there is parking, ample parking behind the restaurant facility. Now I'm trying to figure out what to do with my raised bed garden back here. I'm thinking about doing all pineapples. Do all pineapples through this whole area because pineapples are so easy to maintain. And this area is really rich, as you can see. There's a lot of compost, a lot of grass clippings in with the soil, so they should do really well. But let me go ahead and close out today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, click on the little MyPI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time from right here in the very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.